everyone, Kelly Shaffner here with a knife, and that's a little dangerous. I have a stitch fix. I am here to share my stitch fix with you, so if you want to see what's inside this box, stick around. I broke the box. That's what I get for trying to do things a little bit different. Everything you need to know about Stitch Fix is right on the box. This is a try-at-home style service where I have a personal stylist that picks out 5 items for me to try in the comfort of my own home and share with you, of course, and decide what I want to keep. So this is what, let me turn this mailer around. They do send me a mailer, so anything that I don't want, I can send back, and this is what my box looks like. Let's get into it. Also enclosed is an envelope. There are some style cards here with suggestions on how I might style the pieces that have been sent to me, and a note from my stylist as well as an invoice. I have to pay for anything that I decide to keep, but I do have some credits. So thank you to everyone that has used my link. If you want more information about getting a stitch fix for yourself, if you've never tried it, give it a try. All the information is in the description box below, and I do have a referral link. If you use my link, you get some credit, I get some credit. It's a win-win, and thank you to everyone that has used my link. You're awesome. Let me pull out the bundle. If you watched my last Stitch Fix unboxing, you know it was a flop. Nothing worked for me. There was a bag, a beautiful handbag, that I wasn't excited to keep it, so I sent everything back. And when I checked out, Stitch Fix immediately asked me in the checkout process if they could send another fix. And I said, yes, please do. And I did go in and adjust my sizes a little bit, so hopefully this all fits. I mean, it's just a guessing game right now where I'm at, but this is my bundle. And one of the pieces fell out of the bundle, but this is what it looks like. So it's colorful, and I like, do I see denim? Okay, you see that. There's some turquoise denim there. And the rest, this looks cute. Okay, and we've got this, Abel and Stitch Fix. So this must be a collaboration. This is the Rachel Top Zip Tote Off-White by Abel and Stitch Fix. Let's see what we got. So it is a nice canvas. Now it's a cotton dust bag. Wow. Okay. This is nice. This is what it looks like. And I don't know if you'll be able to see. It's got some scratches right here, some divots in it. Let's see what the bottom looks like. That's the bottom. And there's the logo. This is nice, guys. This is really nice. It's really structured. Let's see here. There's a card here. Let's see. Tell me about this bag. Abel and Stitch Fix, how we're different. Let us show you how we're different from any other fashion company in the world. Our mission. We're challenging the culture of the fashion industry by creating transformation opportunities for women. Yay. I love that. We're the first to publish our lowest wages. Fashion is the largest industrial employer of women, and 98% are not paid enough to cover their basic needs. Consumers need clear data to protect these women. We're local and global. We work with vulnerable communities around the world, from Nashville, Tennessee to Ethiopia. And those women create beautiful products that bring us closer to ending generational poverty. I love that mission. Okay, so this is a cool bag already, even with the divots on it. So it's a two-tone bag, and it's all leather, and it's a nice quality leather, and I like this. I like it already. Okay, the piece that fell out on the top of the bundle, this is so cute. Look at this. Look at this. So this is black and white, which is not my favorite. It's got a really cute flutter sleeve. It does have a peplum on it, so I'm not sure how that is going to look. It's got cloth covered buttons and it's Vince Camuto. This is Vince Camuto Ashland peplum blouse in white, size large. I love it. All right, the next piece is beautiful colors. This is a polyester top. It's really hot in my house right now, so I don't even like the idea of trying this on, but look how pretty the colors are. This one is, who are you? Calvin Klein, okay. Calvin Klein, Janice pleated neck knit top in green. So this is really pretty as well. And it's Calvin Klein, and that's a brand I do enjoy wearing. It's more of a career style, but I would definitely wear that. The next piece is much, much lighter. This is a polyester top as well. I can tell by feeling it, but it feels like a lightweight polyester. So this is also Calvin Klein. What do you think of that print? It's a sleeveless. This is a little bit boring for me. It's a split neck, pop over, Calvin Klein, Buckner piping detail top. They call this white. And this is the last piece. These are the denim. These are turquoise. Oh, these are cropped. These are cropped turquoise. Is that? They are stitched too. They're stitched crops. And these are NYDJ. They're the Maryland straight. And this is what they look like. So, let's give it a try. This is a really good fix. I like everything. I'll show you how it all fits in just a moment. I got a thoughtful note from my stylist, and she did give me a little bit more information about the company Abel, and just really kind of urging me to read that card that I read to you. And you know, I'm all about that. So the purse is a contender, but let me tell you, all 5 things in this fix, the grand total is $462. I hope my husband's not watching this video, because yeah, he would. But the buy all discount, if I keep everything, the buy all discount is $115.50. So that's a big discount, which brings the total, if I keep everything, to $346.50. That's almost $350. So what is that, about $70 per piece? Okay, let me share each piece with you. Let's see what you think. The first piece I tried on is the Calvin Klein top. I started with this piece because I wasn't drawn to it. This is not a piece that I would select for myself. This is called the Calvin Klein Buckner top, and it's $58. I just don't care for it. It doesn't speak to me. It does have the piping detail, which, I don't know, that's not that special. What I do like about this top, it's polyester, it's lightweight, and it's very silky. It feels nice, but this is a great summer weight top, and this could be worn with either denim or even under a blazer, but I'm not interested in it. It's $58, so if I keep everything else, I mean, it makes sense. My buy all discount is $119, and I mean, I would wear this perhaps if I kept it. I don't know. Okay, let's move on to the rest. Next up are the denim. These are the NYDJ Not Your Daughter's jeans. These are the Maryland capri. They call them capri crops. What's the difference between a capri and a crop? These are short, and these are a straight leg crop denim, super stretchy. NYDJ always is. They do have the cuff on them. I'm not sure about where these hit me. I prefer them a little bit longer, to be honest with you. I love the color on these. My stylist calls these the Cosmic Blue Love. And she did recommend that I try these with the Vince Camuto top. These are so comfortable. And when you put on a comfortable pair of pants, it's hard to take them off. But you guys know I'm not a big fan of colored denim. And I did purchase a pair of turquoise crop pants last summer. I never wore them. That's my problem. I try them on, they feel good, I think I'll wear them, and I don't. And I did end up selling them. Now these are much, much nicer than the pair I bought last summer. These are $89, so that's an investment. These are such a cheerful color pant. They're very, very comfortable. I'm strongly considering keeping these. I need to look at my own video and see if I'm comfortable with the length on these pants. That's the only thing I'm concerned about with these pants, and honestly, if I will actually wear them out of the house. We'll see. Next up is Vince Camuto. This is one of my favorite designers. Vince Camuto just works really well for my body type, and I love this blouse, but I don't know that this is the best blouse for me. The things I like about this blouse, this sleeve is excellent. I love this flouncy flutter sleeve, and I also like that it does have attention to detail. You cannot see your bra on the inside. I like the cloth covered buttons. I do like the peplum as well, but I'll tell you what, I think it might be a little bit too short for me because it's a shorter cut top, and with that peplum, it kind of draws the eye to the midsection, and I really don't want extra attention on my midsection. I think this is beautiful, and my stylist asked me to pair this with the turquoise colored pants. Now, I think this would be much, much cuter with a black pencil skirt, or even black denim, or dark denim. What do you think? It's $88. That's expensive for a top, isn't it? Is that expensive? This is such a beautiful top. It can be worn year round as well. I am really thinking about keeping this one because it's gorgeous and I would have a ball wearing it. The last top I tried on was the Calvin Klein. This is a Calvin Klein suit separate top. This is the Janice pleat front top. You can see all that pleating in the front. I don't know if I mentioned, there is a keyhole in the back, and this was a really good match for the jeans, wasn't it? I don't know, I really felt like it looked very matchy-matchy, but it's a good match if you're into that. This is a career piece, and it's that heavy-duty polyester, so it was warm, and even with that high neckline, it's a really hot day today, so I think I'm extra sensitive to the weights of the fabric. I like the fit on this one, and it's only $38. So this is the least expensive piece in the entire fix. But I don't know, I mean, it's such a career looking piece. Should I get it? I could have both of the Calvin Klein pieces basically for free if I keep everything. Let's talk about the purse. So the bag is the Abel tote. This is the Rachel zip top tote. This is $188. And it is a very versatile color. Now, these lighter colors you have to be really careful with because when you carry them, you will transfer color from either your denim or your tops. You can transfer color. So I'm really careful about the color of bags, especially an expensive bag like this, $188. I normally would get a darker color bag. This one is very pretty, and I'm all for the mission behind this company. I want to support the company. Do I want to spend $188 on a tote bag? It's nicely made. There's no interior lining. So it's a very simple bag. And it's very nice, very simple, and it will go with everything this summer. Again, I have to think about this. I'm gonna sleep on this. I'm not going to make any decisions. As I edit my video, I will be able to see how the items actually look on me because I don't even look in a mirror when I do these try-ons for you. Like I said, I like the mission behind this. I really like to support my sisters, especially in the United States. That's really cool that they work with women in the United States. Now, You guys know I'm all about Fair Trade Friday, and I realized I was wearing my Fair Trade Friday earrings, so I have to share those with you. Yeah, these are the June Fair Trade Friday earrings, and a very similar mission behind this. So I'll leave the information about Fair Trade Friday Earring of the Month Club in the description box below if you want to check that out. What did you think about this fix? I think it is so much better than my last fix, and I think a lot of it was just adjusting the sizing, and you know, if the clothes fit, then you can consider keeping them, and I could keep this entire fix. It would be a super expensive 5 for 5 fix. Should I do it? Guys, leave your comments below. I can't wait to hear from you. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe. If you enjoy videos like this, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Blessings to all of you.